Aloha. I'm Generational Master Beekeeper Darren Olson. I'm also an alum of the University of Hawaii, Manoa. I went for my master's degree from the College of Education and Curriculum Instruction. I thought it was such an ingenious idea to have microwaves here on campus near the vending machines for students' use so that we may heat up our foods or our home meals as we were busy on-the-go students. I thought that was the smartest thing in the world to have open to students. The one unfortunate thing about the vending machines here on UH Manoa's campus that I find funny living in Hawaii is that none of the vending machine choices are from any of our buy local, support the seal of quality made in Hawaii campaigns. All of the food is the heavily processed, high fructose corn syrup choices and low nutritional value, yet high in calorie choices. None of the choices help build an immune system. All of the choices are profiteering of students' quick need to gain enough calories to get back to work at school. As a master beekeeper, I wish that I could have a strong enough marketing campaign to be featured in vending machines, for example, here on campus. I humbly ask for your financial support in order to be able to market honey, which is the only value-added food that helps build the immune system, of great importance to students busily working in school. I ask for help in order to saving the honeybees and promoting more healthy agricultural practices, especially here in Hawaii, to buy local and support local. Mahalo nui loa. Thank you very much.